Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Weather is nice, so let's practice, let's work out together. As usual, I'll try to do full body, nice and easy. If you cannot do any movements of mine, just skip them and keep moving. The most important is to build really good and strong habit of practice. This is the most important. All the rest is you can step by step improve. Okay, let's begin. I'll turn back to you. We'll do some upper body mobility. I want to see I want you to see from the back side. Put your left arm behind your head, behind your back. Rotate your head towards the right side and then push your head down. Exhale. Switch. Right arm go back. Head go to the left side and just push down. Exhale. Good job. From here, open your arms towards the side. We'll start to rotate our arms from the right side. Left one goes down, right arm goes up, and then switch with the head together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slowly, 8, 9, 10, go ahead, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, twist your head more, 9, 10, good. Bring your hands behind your head. From here, your elbows goes in front, closer to your eyes, and from here you push back your elbows. 1, and continue. 2, go ahead. 3, from your elbows you need to push back as much as you can. 4, breathe. 5, good. 6, 7, awesome, push back more. 8, 9, 10, good. Open your arms. Right arm grabs your left elbow and you push behind your head. Exhale. Keep your thoracic spine straight. Slowly open. Grab your right elbow and push back. Exhale. 3, 2, 1, good. Open. Okay, we continue. Nice and easy. Arms, straight arms on the ground. Rotate your pelvis. We go down facing dog, but then bend your arms. Here, push your shoulders towards the floor and just hold a bit. 3, 2, 1. From here, I want you to rotate your pelvis towards the left side. You need to feel the good stretch in your right lat of your upper body, and then switch. And then switch. Good job. Keep pushing your shoulders towards the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Straight legs a little bit. Full down facing dog. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly stepping forward with your left, right, to the middle. Straight arms. Lengthening through the spine, try to look forward. 3, 2, 1. Good. Slowly raise your upper body. Good job. Left, go back. Right, forward. We fall forward. Grab your toe. And then triangle pose. Open up. Left goes up and hold. 3, 2, 1. Good. Slowly switch. Left arm goes on the ground. Right one twists up. 3, 2, 1. Back. Down facing dog slowly. Good. We again moving forward from the right leg. Good. Again left foot to the spine. Straight arms forward. Slowly pushing up. This time the right leg goes back. Left goes forward. Grab your toe. Triangle pose. Hold. Good job. Switch. Right arm goes on the ground. Left twist up. Good. Back. Down facing dog. Good. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Slowly. Knees on the ground. Good job. Left leg goes straight back. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Good. From here we go down facing dog with one leg. Left leg push up and then back. Bend your knee, but then try to keep your knee off the ground always. 10 times. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Left leg goes towards the right side. Keep it straight. And right arm pull up. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Back. Switch. Down facing dog. Then knees on the ground. Good job. Right leg straight back. Engage your hips. Upper body. Rotate your pelvis. We're starting raising our left knee off the ground. Right leg goes up. 10 times slowly. 1 and back. 2. Go ahead. 3, 4, 5. Keep your hips square. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 3, 2, 1. The right leg goes towards the left side and left arm goes up. Exhale. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Slowly back. Down facing dog. Knees on the ground. Good job. Sit. Breathe a little bit. 3 times. Inhale deep and then exhale. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Good job. We continue. From here, toes on the ground. Rotate your knees outside. Then from here, back again and rotate inside. And then outside, heels on the ground. Inside, half plank. Outside. Keep your lower back straight. Five, 6, 7. Continue. 8. Push from your arms a little bit. 9. 10. Hold yourself here. Good. Left elbow goes towards your knee. Exhale, push up. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Right elbow goes towards your knee. Exhale, push up. 3, 2, 1. Good. From here, slowly we're moving to full plank position. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down facing dog. You bend your knees, bend your elbows, go forward in push-up position and back. Again, down facing dog, bend your knees, bend your elbows, push up. Continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, chaturanga. Knees on the ground. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Back. Left elbow on the ground. Right open 45 degrees up. Exhale. 3, 2, 1. Switch. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Left knee forward, hips straight, arms forward, and rotate your pelvis, engage. We will stretch our legs forward. 1 and back. 2, go ahead. 3, 4, good job. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Raise your right leg off the ground. Hold. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Arms on the ground. Flex your left leg forward. Hold here. Breathe. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your left leg. Down facing dog. Breathe. 3, 2, 1. Knees on the ground. Right leg go forward. Good. Rotate your pelvis. Straight arms. Relax and stretch forward. Continue. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7. Good job. 8, 9, 10. Breathe. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Slowly raise your left knee off the ground. Forward hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly arms on the ground. Flex your right leg. Stretch. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your leg. Down facing dog. Good job. Breathe. Hold here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, slowly rotate your hips towards the left side. Flex your lats. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
One, switch, another side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back. Good job. Step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Bend your knees. Straight back. Lengthening through the spine. Arms up. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up. Open arms towards the side. Grab your left leg behind. Bend. Hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly open. Move forward. Keep your right leg straight. Have a good control. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back slowly. Release. Bend your right leg. Stretch first. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then slowly forward. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back. Waving a little bit. Okay. Continue. Keep your lower back straight. Bend your knees towards the side. Hold here a little bit. Butt a little bit lower. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here we rotate our hips towards the left side. And then back slowly. And then rotate towards the right side. One more towards the left. A little bit towards the right. Okay. Down facing dog, nice and easy. Good job. Sit down. We will end with some core, lower back, and that's it for today. From here, just raise your legs 90 degrees. One by one, heel touch the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Now your right leg with your right body is pushing up 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good again. Raise your legs, core 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And left. Go up 10 times. Go ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Bend your legs, bring your knees towards your head. Exhale. Inhale deep and then twist towards the left side, legs together. Exhale. Switch side. Okay. Inhale one time deeply. Exhale. Good job. That's it. Thank you for today. Take care of your body. Take care of yourself. Wish you the best. Peace.